Well, this little video is about, it's not about Budweiser. It's about a little plane that I make out of beer cans. It's my little plane right there. And I saw a plane on a package store that I fell in love with it. It was a Budweiser plane made out of beer cans. And I took a picture of it, and then I Googled it. I found a couple more pictures, right? So I start cutting beer cans, and I cannot get the fucking plane. You know, I don't know how to make one. Never make one. So I went to YouTube, and I saw a couple videos of people making little planes like this. Sorry, I'm doing it with my cell phone, the video, but you know, they're pretty cool. But then I went a little crazy, and I like planes, so I destroyed this one. You can see right here. I destroyed this one. It's made out of foam, styrofoam, whatever. I destroyed this one. I don't use it that much anymore. And I took the little motor out with the battery and everything, just to make that propeller move. So watch. This is the remote. I'm gonna hit the button. And it look like it's flying. It look cool. I did a sloppy job. You know, I can do a better job. People use rivets. I use hot glue. I use this shit. Works pretty good. I use these scissors, and I use a cutting wheel just to cut the cans. And look how cool it look. I put the electric motor inside, the batteries in the top, and little plane look like it's flying. You know, it's cool. Just when you get bored, you wanna get creative. I did it myself. I showed to a friend of mine, and a friend of mine wants me to make one out of other kind of beer. And it took me like, I don't know, like 6 hours here and there, putting shit together and cutting it. Or just a little video for you guys. That when you get bored and you don't have nothing to work on, that's what you do. Make a plane out of beer cans. Come on, baby, fly. Oh, I forgot the curse. What the fuck? I didn't cut my fingers or anything. It was fun to do it. Even my neighbor was here, and he helped me a little bit. It was cool. You can hear the motor probably a little bit. Haha, this is my new toy. It's gonna be hanging there forever. That's cool, right? Almost 100% beer can. Beside the little motor that I put on, that is like pretty much for one of these planes. You know, you gotta charge the battery and all that shit. Well, it's cool. It's a little toy. God bless everybody. I'm just watching boxing. That's my red button beer can plane.